Next Door Neighbors is made possible by the support of the Nissan Foundation.
I am originally from Cuba, came here in 1999. Went to law school and became a licensed attorney in 2015. And right now I have my solo practice and I do immigration law.
Marlen Santana makes a living defending other people's rights. For her, the work is personal.
When I came into the country, they didn't give me the proper documentation, and I hired an attorney who gave me bad legal advice, and then I ended up having a deportation, a removal order. It was my own immigration status shaped my life for the first 10 years. It was really hard. My own immigration story is the immigration story of many of my clients, basically.
Like other migrants who've tried crossing the southern border, Santana spent time in a U.S. detention facility and faced the threat of deportation. She would eventually gain U.S. citizenship, but the experience helped shape her views on immigration policy.
It's not all black and white. I mean, there's some people that really deserve to be here and they couldn't find a way to navigate. It's very difficult. That's why we need an immigration reform, because they are all over the place and there's not a consistent way for legal immigration.
How does this affect us here in Nashville right now?
At a vigil called Lights for Liberty, people gathered in Nashville to protest federal immigration policies and the use of migrant detention centers. Reports of neglect, abuse, overcrowding, and family separations have galvanized members of the community.
I cannot imagine someone taking my child away from me and my child having to stay in a place by themselves, alone, not knowing what's going on, not speaking the language, not having basic needs. I can't imagine being the mom or the child.
We can make a difference.
It's personal to me because I have a lot of friends and families who are from Central America or who are from South America that are crossing. And just them being in cages is not correct. No one should be in cage.
But the fear of being detained or separated from family isn't limited to the border. For those concerned, Santana says being knowledgeable is the first and best defense.
And I did this clinic, kind of the main thing was to inform about their rights, so we create this flyer with the things that they should do if they are approached by ICE.
Santana draws on both her legal expertise and personal experience when offering advice.
The best thing immigrants can do is know that you have rights in this country. Seek legal advice. Be productive. Focus on educating your children, because you cannot let the fear demoralize you.
Next Door Neighbors is made possible by the support of the Nissan Foundation.